Welcome to USMLEFasttrack.com. The section we're going to talk about today is from First Aid for the USMLE Step 1 2013 edition.
Page 408. This page is not included in the first aid, but it's helpful in understanding everything we talked about in page 408. In this picture, you see the ectoderm that thickens to become the neural plate. In the neural plate, its folds will rise and fuse to form the neural tube. The neural tube then will form the primary brain vesicles such as the prosencephalon, the mesencephalon, and the rhombencephalon. These structures then differentiate. The prosencephalon will differentiate into telencephalon and the diencephalon. The mesencephalon stays mesencephalon, and the rhombencephalon becomes metencephalon and the myelencephalon. The telencephalon then differentiates into becoming the cerebral cortex and the basal nuclei. The diencephalon differentiates into becoming the retina of the eye, the thalamus, and the hypothalamus. The mesencephalon differentiates into the midbrain and the superior colliculi and the inferior colliculi. The metencephalon differentiates into the pons and the cerebellum, and the myelencephalon becomes the medulla. Now we're going to talk about the spinal cord, which has the alar plate, which is the dorsal, the posterior horn, and this has the sensory neurons. And the basal plate, which is the ventral anterior horn, this has the motor neurons. Now we're going to talk about the neural crest and all the things that it forms. So neural crest is the tissue that's left out when the neural tube forms. The left out neural crest cells will migrate to form the dorsal, the posterior root ganglia. The neural crest cells will also form the enteric plexi, chromaffin cells of the medulla, and the melanocytes of the skin.
For more information on this topic, click on the link in the description section below. For a full USMLE Step 1 review, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com, where we help you review the entire first aid for the USMLE Step 1 with high quality videos and hundreds of detailed pictures for a better understanding of the material. So to learn from the best USMLE review book, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com.